so I've been having a little bit of video challenges today. I think I got my app working. I wanted to show you guys, all right, so I got my Glamour jewelry box in. This is actually September's box, but I was traveling with the Fab 5, as you know. I'm getting ready to travel again next week. It's just been an insane month, and so I'm delayed getting this up. So the box came in, so this is actually September's month. I'm wearing the jewelry, so we're gonna show you each piece. And then what I'll do is at the end, I'm gonna take some pictures, some really nice pictures, if I can, of each of the different items and give you a little bit more of a close-up bird's eye view of the jewelry. So it comes together in this box that says Glamour Jewelry Box. The box of jewelry gives you 3 pieces of jewelry for $29.99. They were featured as like one of like the top Valentine gift ideas for the year. Really, really fun. And then all 3 of your jewelry pieces come in one bag. And that also says Glamour Jewelry Box on it. Last I heard, you could pick your tone, whether you wanted gold or silver only, or if you want a mix of rose and rose gold and yellow gold. So I probably have it set for gold. I don't know if that's how that works. But we have 3 pieces that came in and the prices. So the value of this box was $75. I do have a code for you. It's Terry10, even though it's $29.99 a month. For the 3 pieces, you can get a discount using my promo code. Just put it in the promo code box, Terry10. I will put it up here on the screen. So this box value is $75. So the first thing we're going to talk about are these amazing earrings that I'm wearing. These are medallion earrings, and they are $27 value. And I'm going to come in and zoom you guys in a little bit here. And here they are. They are a brushed gold. I love them, actually. I really, really love them. You guys can see them a little better against my skin, maybe. These are a stunning pair of earrings that I know they're very lightweight. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of these. I know I'm going to wear these. You know what I think these will look good with? They could look great up against the soft pink I'm wearing, but the leopard print, I think they're going to be pretty dynamic and against the leopard print. All right, so the next item that I have is this amazing cuff, and I'm hoping that the video can show you how beautiful it is, because it's cut almost like a laser diamond cut. And now I have really, really little wrists, and I was able, this is completely manipulated so that it fits my wrist. I don't know if you guys can see how little my wrist is. But I used to have like, in fact, I still do. If I'm gonna have a bracelet made, like a nice bracelet, I have to get a 6 3/4. A standard bracelet is 7.5 inches. So this one I was able to wear, and I love it. So it gives you the look of like wearing 4 bracelets, and the stacking bracelets are really in this year. This is a cuff, and it's so lightweight and gorgeous. And the way that the light hits this sort of looks like it's shining or glittering a little bit. It's really beautiful. Now it looks like that all the way around, but I can see on the monitor it's only kind of showing you right there, but it is doing that all across the entire bracelet. It is so pretty. I'm really, really happy with this. The next item is the delicate, this was a value of $25. These were $27. These were the most expensive thing in the box. And then the necklace is $23. So this is stuff to show you this piece here. I'm gonna try to zoom you in. I know my skin I have a little bit of a irritation here, so I'm going to cover that up and zoom you guys in. Okay, and there is the beautiful necklace. It is a very delicate chain necklace with just a simple little triangle. Very beautiful, very delicate. Great jeans and t-shirt, great with all kinds of shirts that have, you know, v-neck collars or boat neck collars where you want a little something but you don't want anything crazy. Sorry, Nitro and Chopper need to go out. Hold on. Okay, I let those little babies out. All right, so that is the whole box. And again, I think this piece, I know it's being covered up. I'm not wearing the right shirt, but of course I opened the box and didn't know what was in it. But I think this piece is going to be fantastic with a lot of shirts that I have to wear for work, where maybe it's like a really like a designed or patterned shirt, and you want a little something, and that's you know, that's going to be the perfect one. You don't even know it's on. This is one you're never going to take off. You're probably going to sleep in it, you know, because you don't remember to take it off, but you don't know it's there. But these are great pieces. I'm very excited and very happy with this month's box. Now, like I said, you won't get this month's box because I'm late getting this video up. You will get next month, or this month's, sorry, this is September's. You will get October's box, I believe, if you sign up today. So all of the information, the website, and my code will be below for you. So go check out Glamour Jewelry Box. I hope you have a lot of fun and enjoy doing some shopping with them. This makes a great gift, like they said, for, you know, it could be a great sister birthday gift, or a mom gift, or a Christmas gift, or a birthday gift. I mean, all kinds of friend gifts, all kinds of great stuff. People like getting jewelry. So you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Most of my channel is fashion, jewelry, and beauty. Those are the three things we do most on this channel. I'm getting ready to put up this week a Natalie Attired, and come weekend a Stitch Fix. So make sure you stay tuned for those videos coming up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.